Hello and welcome to Upcycling SOS. I had another little bit of an issue with the car, so I've got a wing mirror that I need to change. I always had the one way, another car, boom, what can you do? So today we're going to do that one. I didn't find much on the Volvo V40 with regards to changing the wing mirror, so I'm piecing together lots from different ones. Hopefully we'll get there. But first, here's a message from my sponsor. Today's video is sponsored by 999 Coffee. Are you a coffee drinker? Have you looked everywhere for the perfect cup? Well, if you have, you're like me. I've looked all over the place to have a nice cup of coffee where you get the right buzz and it tastes really good. Well, I've done all the hard work and I found it. 999 Coffee has loads of different variations of coffee, the blends, the beans, because they choose the finest beans from all over the world and then roast it to perfection. So head on to 999 Coffee on their website, and as you can see, it's really nicely made. You've got the menus of all the coffees available. You've also got the different merch that's available, and these are high quality merch, believe you me. I have tried many different ones, and I must admit I do have my favourites, but you're going to have to find out for yourself which one you prefer. And that's the website. So remember, head on to 999 Coffee and order yours. And just for an added little bonus, if you order and quote Upcycling SOS, you get 10% off your order. So what's not to like? Perfect coffee, 999 Coffee, straight to your door. Well, I'm definitely the first to respond. Get yours today. Thank you, 999 Coffee. Yeah, this is what happened. Car off, it came completely off. So I've got a new one. So we're going to start with that. So the first thing I need to do, it would start raining now, wouldn't it? Is take this all off, because at the moment it's just connected by Gorilla Tape. Awesome tape, by the way. And open the panel door. I'm going to try and do it without actually taking the whole thing off and then disconnecting everything. That'll be another video probably for disconnecting and reconnecting everything. So let's just take this off and get going from there. So the first thing I need to do is to pry this off. So I've got myself a little prying tool, and then we're going to take the panel off. So first, start with this one, gentle tugs. That came off quite easy. There we go. Okay, so there's a thing here, but we'll sort that out later on. Now underneath the handle here, let's see if I can get you it. Underneath the handle here, we've got two torque screws. We'll find out what it is now. T25s. Now, all I need to do, or what I've been shown anyway, is now just lift it up and towards. That was easy. Okay. I don't want to take the whole thing off, like I said, so what I've done is I put it on axle stands. And I've got some duct tape which I'm going to just put on there so that it doesn't stretch any of the wires. That didn't work. I'll just hold it. Okay, so obviously this is where it's at, and this is the cable that I'll need to take off. Okay, so I'm going to unclip this. That's off. Oh, look at that. And then take away from there. Got another little clip here, but I need to just take the wire out of it. I need both hands. Stand by. Oh, it's starting to rain again. Typical. There we go. And then I've got a tuck screw there as well. These appear to be 25s as well. There's two of them. I'll have to get a screwdriver. These are T30s, not 25. Right, should be able to just pull it straight through now. Going to have to get a closer look. There's another screw behind here that I need to take off, but I don't know how to get to it yet, so I need the light, so bear with me. In the end, all I needed to do is just pull it. And underneath there there's another torque screw, and it's a 30 again. Okay, so let's try and take it off, shall we? Right. I was wondering what this thing was here. It seems to be catching and I can't do anything with it. But I've got this part on the new one, so I'm just gonna break it off. I'll snip it and see what happens with it. Tell you one thing, the Volvo, they make their cars last, don't they? If it wasn't for other idiot drivers. Let's get the new one in. Okay, let's clip it in. Oh, I can take this out as well. We have lights. Let's get it on. What I'm going to do now is try and screw everything back in, get everything nice and tidy, and hope for the best. Stuck. These are right, these are right. That should go in there. Let's put this back on. Okay, that's, oh, one more thing, nearly forgot. The shirt now retract. Superb. Right, so there we go. We've done the mirror change. Oh, it went quite smoothly, to be honest. Did have a few hiccups, but we got there through it. So, happy days. Now I've got a working one, it's now legal. That's all we need to do. So, remember, like the video if you liked it, if it was any use, useful. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and comment. How do you think? Is there anything you want to see different? I'm going to do quite a few more on this one. Obviously I've got the bumper and that to do, yeah, comment. How did it get on? Anything you've done different? Well, it's probably you've done a lot of things different, but we'll go from there. So another big shout out to 999 Coffee. Thanks very much for your support, and we'll see you next time in the next video. So remember, reuse, recycle, upcycle. Bye for now.